You've seen the screenshots. People are making thousands of dollars a month just by posting videos on Facebook. But there's one giant wall standing in your way, the 60,000 minutes of eligible live and on-demand watch time. It sounds like a lot, right? That's 1,000 hours of people watching your content in just 60 days. But here's the secret, Facebook's algorithm is actually hungrier for content than YouTube's. If you know how to feed it, you can hit that goal in weeks, not months. In today's video, I'm breaking down the exact strategy to master Facebook monetization and the growth hacks to crush that 60K goal. Let's dive in. Before we talk strategy, let's quickly look at the scoreboard. To get into the in-stream ads program, you need 1. 5,000 followers, down from the old 10K requirement. 2. 60,000 minutes of watch time, in the last 60 days. 3. 5 active videos, on your page. 4. Policy compliance, no unoriginal content flags. The 60K minutes is usually the hardest part for beginners. Here is how we conquer it. You can't just post random clips. To hit 60K, you need content that generates retention. Facebook rewards videos that keep people on the platform. Pillar 1, the hook is king. On Facebook, people are scrolling fast. You have 3 seconds to stop their thumb. Your first frame must be a visual, what happens next, moment. Pillar 2, length matters. While Reels are great for followers, 3-minute plus videos are the best for watch time. Facebook's algorithm prefers longer form content for in-stream ads. Pillar 3, the value or emotion. People share things that make them laugh, cry, or learn something new. Shares are the nuclear fuel of Facebook watch time. Now, let's get into the velocity strategy to hit that 60K goal. Step 1, the 1-3-1 method. Post 1 reel per day, for reach/followers. 3 long-form videos per week, for watch time, and 1 live stream per week. Why lives? Because live video watch time counts toward your 60K goal and often G. Step 2, use the shares loop. Facebook is a social network. Join 5 to 10 relevant groups in your niche. When you post a video, share it to 1 or 2 groups where it actually adds value. Do not spam or you'll get shadow banned. Step 3, cross-pollinate. If you have a following on TikTok or YouTube, use Bridge Reels. Post a 60-second teaser and tell them the full video is on your Facebook page. It's an instant watch time injection. This is where most creators fail. They hit 60K minutes using movie clips or unoriginal content, and then Facebook rejects their application for limited originality of content. Always add your own commentary, facecam, or significant editing. Don't just re-upload. Facebook's AI is incredibly smart at detecting reused audio and video. Mastering Facebook monetization isn't about luck, it's about consistency and understanding that the first 3 seconds of your video dictate your paycheck. If you want my Facebook hook template to help stop the scroll, check the link in the description. Hit that subscribe button, and tell me in the comments, how many followers are you at right now on your Facebook page? Let's help each other out. I'll see you in the next video.